In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to attach, remove and change the watch band or strap on the Galaxy Watch 8. I'm using the Watch 8 Classic for the demonstration, but it works the same way on the base Galaxy Watch 8 as well. I personally had a lot of trouble at first trying to put the bands back on. So to attach the bands, first flip your watch over to the back side and you'll see this part where the band goes. So align the metal part of the band so that it goes in straight inside and push it in till you hear a click sound. If it's not aligned properly, the band won't go all the way in. If you're still having trouble, then simply press this button, which is meant to be used when you're taking off the band. As you can see, there's a tiny ridge inside which is controlled by this button. So just press it, and now the band should go in without any resistance. Once it's properly inserted, release the button, tug it out to check if it's properly installed or not. You can remove the band the same way by simply pressing the release button and the strap comes off. The strap mechanism of the Galaxy Watch 8 is definitely not as intuitive as the previous iterations, and I hope Samsung fixes it with the Watch 9 series. If you found this tutorial helpful, then leave a like and consider subscribing to Wearholic for more wearable videos.